This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Shelley Lee. This open floor plan home is 7 years new and built with so many modern touches. Luxury waterproof vinyl plank flooring downstairs. The vaulted ceiling and electric fireplace with built-in shelving are perfect for cozy evenings. The kitchen is fantastic with beautiful dark wood soft close cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, large center island with pendant lighting, double sinks, and a bar with room for seating. Next to the kitchen is a butler's pantry with more storage and countertop space perfect for a coffee station or bar. Separate dining room or with its French doors use it as an office. All bedrooms are spacious with ceiling fans. Primary ensuite has double tray ceilings, crown molding, 2 walk-in closets, tiled bathroom with double vanity and separate water closet. Large fenced-in backyard with a deck for entertaining. This home has it all. Centrally located with easy access to bases, shopping, and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.